Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to keep up with the weekly explosion of the AI news. Now, new models, tools, and breakthroughs are being released almost every single week, and it can be overwhelming to track everything. So, let's take a look at a simple system that you can use in order to stay updated without spending hours every single day. Now, first of all, instead of basically checking dozens of websites, you need to first of all choose a small number of trusted AI news platforms that regularly cover the new models, research breakthroughs, and industry updates. You can also use medium.com because here you are going to find a bunch of different articles that are going to give you latest AI news. Now, many AI communities publish weekly summaries that highlight the most important developments. These newsletters usually cover the new models, search papers, and major product releases in a quick format. A lot of creators also publish weekly AI updates that summarize the biggest announcements and explain what they mean. So, watching a short roundup video once in a week can also help you stay informed quickly. The next option can be of following the AI researchers and the companies. There would be major AI labs and the researchers that often announce the new models, updates, and breakthroughs directly on their official pages or social media platforms. Following these sources helps you see the news as soon as it happens. Now, instead of trying to learn every minor updates, make sure that you focus on the biggest events such as any new foundation models, major updates or breakthroughs in the robotics and the AI research industry. Then you can set aside a small amount of time each week in order to review the AI updates. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused reading or watching can keep you up to the date with the most important developments. So that's how you can keep up with the weekly explosion of the AI news without feeling overwhelmed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.